Yamuna Expressway has grown significantly over the last 3 to 4 years, with an aim to reduce the travel time between Delhi and Agra. India's longest motorway, Yamuna Expressway, was opened in the year 2012, covering over 240,000 hectares, includes 6 cities, namely Gautam Budh Nagar, Bulandshahr, Aligarh, Mahamaya Nagar, Mathura, and Agra. To smoothen the work process, Yamuna Expressway Master Plan 2031 has been divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 covers the 40-kilometer stretch from Greater Noida to the proposed airport in the town of Jewar, Gautam Budh Nagar district, Uttar Pradesh. Phase 2 is from proposed airport to an intermediate destination before Agra. Phase 3, the last one, goes beyond Agra and covers a distance of 105 kilometers. As of now, only the first phase of Yamuna Expressway Master Plan 2021 has got the green signal. As per the master plan, out of the total area sanctioned in phase 1, about 22% is earmarked for green cover, 20% for industrial development, 19% for residential development, 15% for the transport links, and remaining 24% for commercial and institutional development. The two major factors that sets Yamuna Expressway apart are adequate water and electricity supply. It falls in the Yamuna basin, which possesses 3 important rivers, Yamuna, Hindon, and Kali. This caters as a major water source for domestic and industrial development proposed along the expressway. Even in the times to come, the stretch will never have water shortage. On the electricity front, there are long-term development infrastructure plans, including the establishment of Independent Yamuna Power Corporation Limited, a 2000 megawatts power plant. Realizing the immense potential that the area holds, several realty majors have already flocked to the Yamuna Expressway. JP, Supertech, Cosmic Group, ATS, Corson, Auris, Ajnara, Logix are some of the developers. There are several infra upgrades in the pipeline. Noida Authority has planned a transport hub which will have a range of transportation modes. It will include an interstate bus terminus and a railway station. Further, to solve the parking issues, there will be a proper provision for vehicle parking. An international airport is also planned to encourage tourism. There is also a proposal for an information technology hub with an investment of Rs 15 crores by YEIDA. Known for India's first Formula 1 circuit, both International Circuit and JP Sports City is planned with extravagant sports amenities. Recently, Disney has shortlisted this region for their upcoming project.